Prettycare brush removal. So sometimes you need to clean the brush once you do vacuum, because of a lot of hair gets stuck on the brush and it doesn't really move properly. So for this is Prettycare hair, and to open up the brush you push up here, and it's gonna pop up the brush out. Okay, so once you have the brush out, sometimes you can take this part apart and clean it up, and then once you try to put it back, sometimes it doesn't really go back to its own place, because this little part you can open it up. I'm gonna show you here. You see, you can open it up. So once you open it up, sometimes you don't really place it to the right place and there is no enough space, so push it really hard, put the buckle up, and this side go outside, it goes outside, and first you put that little corner in place, if you can see it here, and then once you put it that on the place, you put it here, you just press it and it's back to its own place again.